Hi, this is Sanvi. In this lecture, we will talk about religions of India, an introduction, a fascinating overview of India's spiritual diversity. India, often referred to as the land of religions, is home to some of the world's oldest, most diverse, and vibrant spiritual traditions. The book Religions of India, an introduction by Sushil Mittal and Jean Thursby offers a detailed exploration into how religions have shaped Indian culture, language, and society. This overview will discuss the key sections of the book while celebrating the unity in diversity that defines India. We'll also highlight the connections between the various religions, cultures, and languages spoken in the country. Introduction: India, a tapestry of faiths. India is unique in its ability to integrate multiple religions, cultures, and languages into its national identity. The book is divided into three parts. What India has given to the world, India's indigenous religions. What India has received from the world, religions that came to India from abroad. Beyond the introductory study of religions, alternative perspectives and deeper explorations. This structure provides a holistic view of how India's spiritual and cultural fabric has evolved over centuries, making it a living testament to coexistence. Part I: What India has given to the world. India is the birthplace of four major religions that have influenced not just the country but the world. 1. Hindu Dharma. Hinduism, often referred to as Sanatana Dharma, is the oldest religion in the world. Its philosophy, rituals, and traditions have defined Indian culture for millennia. Key features include diverse practices, worship of deities like Vishnu, Shiva, Devi, and the concept of Brahman, the ultimate reality. Sacred texts, Vedas, Upanishads, Bhagavad Gita, and Ramayana. Festivals and rituals, Diwali, Holi, Navratri, and the spiritual significance of yoga and meditation. Languages and culture, Sanskrit, the sacred language of Hinduism, has influenced Indian languages like Hindi, Tamil, Bengali, and Telugu. Hinduism's philosophy of Vasudhaiva Kutumbakam, the world is one family, resonates deeply with Indian values. 2. Jaina Dharma. Jainism, founded by Mahavira, emphasizes non-violence, ahimsa, and self-discipline. Key aspects include core principles, non-violence, truth, non-stealing, celibacy, and non-possession. Tirthankaras, 24 spiritual teachers, with Mahavira being the last. Influence: Jainism's practice of non-violence inspired leaders like Mahatma Gandhi. Languages and culture: Jain communities often use languages like Prakrit, Sanskrit, and Gujarati in their scriptures and rituals. Their vegetarian lifestyle and commitment to peace blend beautifully with the broader Indian ethos. 3. Buddha Dhamma. Buddhism, founded by Gautama Buddha, is a path to enlightenment through meditation, morality, and wisdom. Key elements include Four Noble Truths and Eightfold Path as the foundation of Buddhist teachings. Spread beyond India, Buddhism influenced countries like Sri Lanka, Japan, China, and Tibet, making it a global religion. Sites of significance: Bodh Gaya, Sarnath, and Kushinagar remain sacred pilgrimage destinations. Languages and culture: Early Buddhist texts were written in Pali and Sanskrit, which continue to influence Indian and Southeast Asian languages. The Buddhist philosophy of compassion and mindfulness harmonizes with India's spiritual identity. 4. Sikh Dharam. Sikhism, founded by Guru Nanak Dev Ji in Punjab, emphasizes devotion to one God, equality, and service to humanity. Key components include Sacred Text, Guru Granth Sahib. Core Principles, Naam Japna, Meditation, Kirat Karni, Honest Living, and Van Chakna, sharing with others. Symbols of identity, the 5 Ks, Kesh, Kangha, Kara, Kachra, Kirpan. Languages and culture. Punjabi is the sacred language of Sikhism, and the spirit of seva, selfless service, reflects India's collective values of compassion and community. Part 2. What India has received from the world. India's openness has allowed it to embrace religions that originated outside its borders, enriching its cultural diversity. 5. Indian Zoroastrian traditions. Zoroastrianism, brought to India by the Parsis fleeing persecution in Persia, revolves around the teachings of Zarathustra. Core beliefs, worship of Ahura Mazda, God, and the eternal battle between good and evil. Sacred text, Avesta. Contribution. Parsis have contributed significantly to India's industries, arts, and philanthropy, e.g., Tata family. Languages and culture. The Parsis primarily speak Gujarati and have seamlessly integrated their traditions into Indian society while maintaining their distinct identity. 6. Indian Judaic traditions. The Jewish community in India has a long history, with groups like the Cochin Jews and Bene Israel. Key practices: observance of Sabbath, festivals like Hanukkah, and synagogue worship. Integration. Indian Jews have lived peacefully alongside other communities, contributing to India's cultural mosaic. Languages and culture. Hebrew and Marathi are often used by Indian Jews, showcasing their blend of tradition and local culture. 7. Indian Christian traditions. Christianity was introduced to India by St. Thomas in the 1st century CE. Diverse denominations: Syrian Orthodox, Roman Catholic, Protestant, and more. Contributions. Christians have played a vital role in education, healthcare, and social welfare in India. Languages and culture. Indian Christians celebrate festivals like Christmas and Easter while speaking regional languages like Malayalam, Tamil, and English. 8. Indian Muslim traditions. Islam came to India through trade, conquest, and Sufism, becoming one of the largest religions in the country. Core beliefs: the 5 pillars of Islam: faith, prayer, charity, fasting, and pilgrimage. Cultural impact: Sufi traditions, Mughal architecture, e.g., Taj Mahal, and Urdu poetry have enriched Indian heritage. Languages and culture. Urdu, Persian, and Arabic have had a profound influence on Indian art, literature, and music. Festivals like Eid and Miladun-Nabi are celebrated with great enthusiasm. Part 3. Beyond the introductory study of religions. 9. Beyond the introduction, alternative perspectives. This section encourages readers to look beyond the surface of religious practices and explore interconnections between India's religions. Shared values. Despite differences, all Indian religions emphasize compassion, respect, and community. Cultural blending. Festivals, cuisines, and regional traditions often reflect a mix of multiple religious influences. For example, Diwali is celebrated by Hindus, Sikhs, and Jains in unique ways. Linguistic diversity. India's 22 official languages and hundreds of dialects carry imprints of the country's religious traditions. The interconnection between religions, cultures, and languages in India. India's religions have not just coexisted but have profoundly influenced one another. Philosophical overlap. Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism share concepts like karma, dharma, and moksha. Cultural synergy. Sufi Islam's poetry and bhakti traditions in Hinduism share devotional themes. Linguistic blending. Regional languages like Urdu, Punjabi, and Gujarati reflect the intermingling of religious and cultural traditions. Festivals as unifiers. Festivals like Holi, Eid, Christmas, and Guru Nanak Jayanti are celebrated across communities, fostering unity in diversity. Conclusion: a celebration of India's spiritual heritage. The beauty of India lies in its ability to embrace diversity and foster harmony among its many religions, cultures, and languages. The book Religions of India, an introduction explores this incredible tapestry, offering insights into how India has given and received spiritual traditions that continue to shape its identity. This interactive journey through India's religious landscape honors the Indian spirit of unity, where diversity is celebrated rather than feared, a lesson the world can learn from. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe to our wonderful Academists family. Stay tuned, much more to come.